Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this vlog, I will show you the ship's engine room, the different machineries, maintenance, and how important is the round in the engine room. But before that, I will show you how the ship looks like and what are the cargoes on board. This is a container vessel and doing a cargo operation in port. So for those who are not familiar with, this is the entrance to the engine room, restricted area. In going to the engine room, you must wear the proper PPE, personal protective equipment, helmet, and especially the air map due to the high noise in the engine room. In this ship, the first thing I do is drain the air bottle with water. This is very important to avoid the water going to the air system, especially on the main engine and to the pneumatics controls. This is based on my experience of this engine, and since this is my 6th contract of this vessel. So this is the engine control room. The second engineer is preparing for the job, and every morning we do the toolbox meeting so that the crew are aware for the safety, and if required to prepare the permit to works like hot work, enclosed space, cold work permit, etc. So we need to check the control room parameters, the machineries where we can find in the monitor, and if everything is within normal limits. This is the main engine cylinder head. So it is very important to take rounds and to check if everything is normal, no leakages, and there is no abnormal sound, and all cylinders are working normally. So that is the proper way of doing a daily round in the engine room. We must check each cylinder if it is operating normally. So by checking the oil, checking the noise, the sound, or any abnormalities must be attended and rectified to avoid further problem. So this is our spare fuel pump for generator, sick valve for main engine, and fuel valve for the generators. Okay, and this is where the main engine fuel valve, our testing for fuel valve. Okay, safety valve, testing for the sick valve of main engine, and this one for the fuel valve for the generator. This one. Okay? So we test here. So there's a safety sign there. Wear the goggles or face shield when you are using the grinding machine. And here is the lathe machine and the welding machine, which normally maintained by the fitters. This workshop is fitted with timer fire alarm. So this is the old liner of the main engine, and we have this so-called garbage can, which we segregate all the garbage according to category, like plastic, oily rags, papers, etc. This is the storeroom where all the spare parts are stored and located. We are now underway with full of cargo. So thanks God, it's a good weather. I hope until we reach port. From time to time, the deck officer and crew will check the lashing if the cargo is properly secured. If there are cargo reapers on board and some problem may occur, we engineers and electricians will check and report to the company. This is the air compressor that produces air required for starting engine, for pneumatic controls, and service air required for daily use. And here's the generator. We have to take the round, check the parameters, exhaust temperature, jacket temperature, or any leakages on the cylinder head. So that's how we do our rounds. In this area here is the sewage treatment plant, wherein all the human waste is being processed and treated before disposing overboard. We are in the steering room, wherein the freshwater tank, freshwater pump, and filters are located. So these are the pumps for the freshwater. This freshwater is also equipped with ultraviolet rays. So this is the steering, wherein the ship movement, port starboard, is being controlled from the bridge. This steering can be controlled also here by moving to port and starboard during emergency drills or if required. And this is the rudder angle indicator. This is the boiler, which is very important to check the water level. This boiler is equipped with two safety valves. This safety valve will open in the event of excessive steam pressure of the boiler. This boiler is an exhaust gas boiler, wherein the exhaust of the main engine is used to heat the tube to generate the steam. This boiler will start and stop automatically in accordance to steam demand, or it depends on the main engine RPM. This is the remote control of transferring the bunker from storage tank to settling tank. So this is one of the maintenance we do on board, the cleaning of main engine lube oil backwash filter. It was noticed during our round the lube oil differential pressure was high. Therefore, we immediately clean this filter. Although the maintenance is about overdue, we will be still investigating the possible cause, but mostly the purification. So after this, we will proceed with the purifier to check how is the performance of the purifier. This is how the lube oil backwash filter looks like in our ship. Ball filter. The sound you hear is the engine room alarm. This is how important the rounds in the engine room, and also checking the condition of all machineries which are to be done by all engineers and engine crew as well. As engineer, we must be familiar with the operation of our machineries, and any abnormalities must be attended, checked, and report to the head of department. So this is the lube oil backwash filter. This was my last vlog, inspection of camshaft of main engine. This is the upside of the vessel and the upmooring station. This is where we store the oxygen and acetylene separately for engine room service.
So this is masking container vessel, and this is how you see in the engine room how it looks like, and the machineries which are those running. You see the main engine, the generator, boiler, pumps, and all these things are part of the engine machineries.
In my next vlog, I will show you the maintenance of freshwater generator. How do we produce freshwater on board, and how we convert seawater into freshwater. So stay tuned with Chief Remolio, and I hope in the next few days until we arrive in the next port, we have the same weather, a very calm and nice weather.
Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.